I've been working with watercolor and paper for years, through workshops, tutorials, and my own projects. Over time, I noticed that what stayed with me the most were not the individual paintings, but the finished objects: cards, envelopes, labels, small gifts, things that were completed with care and the meaning behind making them. This channel is a place where I want to share that practice, thoughtfully, slowly, and in a conversation with others who feel the same. Here you will find handmade paper projects, sketchbook practice, and thoughtful material reviews, all adapted for real occasions and real life. I use watercolor not to make paintings to hang on a wall, but to make things that will be held, sent, and used. Hand-painted envelopes for letters to your loved one. Cards you actually sent to wish someone good luck. Small watercolor labels you can finish in an evening. There are things we make just to practice, and then there are things we make because they are meant to be used. And I want to show that process. What works, what doesn't. Over the years of making small gifts for my friends and family, I realized how often beautiful artwork ends with very ordinary finish. A carefully painted card, placed into thin generic envelope, well, something that doesn't quite match. And I started to think how different it feels when someone receives a letter or a small gift that already feels complete, almost like a present on its own. When you make something by hand, you're not only saying, "I thought about you." You're saying, "I stopped for you, I took time, and I made this especially for you." And in a world that moves very fast and produces many half-finished things, I find that kind of making quietly meaningful. This channel is a space where I want to share that way of working. I'm not starting from zero, but here I want to show the process, not just the outcome. This channel is about working with paper, watercolor, ink, small formats, not as decorative objects, but as part of real occasions. What works, what doesn't, and how small decisions change the final piece. Some videos will be about complete projects, others about process or reflection. Not everything needs to be perfect or productive, but everything will be approached with care. Alongside finished projects, there will be quieter videos, sketchbook practice, planner and urban sketching tools, thoughtful reviews of the materials I actually use. This is not paint along channel. I don't follow trends and I don't rush projects. I care more about finishing something well than making many things. Not around output, but around a shared attention. After years of working with watercolor, I realized I wanted something slower way of making, and a place to share that practice. A place where ideas can be exchanged and questions asked, and approaches discussed. If that sounds like something you would enjoy, you're very welcome here. New videos will appear regularly, but without rush. Thank you for being here.